Okay, so as you have your form designed, you're going to want to change some things. So this first thing, this is a setting called sticky contact. That means if they filled out a form on your website before, it will automatically pull their information that allows you to connect to them. On these things right here, you can actually have a Facebook pixel integrated, so anybody who fills out your form, it will be automatically added to your Facebook, and you can send them a message on Facebook later. When the form is complete, you can actually send them a message saying, hey, thanks for filling out my form, or you can send them to another web page. Usually it's called a thank you page. So let's say that they were filling out this form to get a document for you on the 3 best tips you have to save the world. Well, that on submit, when the submit button is clicked, you would open URL, would go to a thank you page where you'd say, hey, thanks for filling out my form. Here is your document, how to save the world in 3 easy tips. So that is what on submit works. The Facebook pixel, you're going to have to get very specific on that. You got to know a little bit more, and we're not going to go through that in this training, but I would suggest keeping the sticky contact on. It'll autofill the information so they didn't, if they've already filled it in. Remember, your styles are your colors, and your fields, you have custom fields and standard fields. So you're going to save those things. Those are your options. Now, last thing we're going to talk about is integrate form. When we click on integrate form, we're going to get a link. You can put this link wherever you want. You can send that in an email or whatever. Hey, fill out my form, here's the link. Or you can do an embed. This gives you an iframe or a script. This you can put on a website. You can automatically copy this, put this on a website, put that in there. Or of course, if you're using our website builder, you just add form, and there's a little scroll down that'll tell you how to add the form. Let's go ahead and do that real quick just so we can show you what that looks like. I'm going to save the form. I'm going to go to my websites. I'm going to click on New Web, which we were playing with a while ago. I'm going to edit it. And then on this form, let me show you how to add that form. So we'll see here that there's a form in here, but I don't want this form. I want to add my other form. So I'm going to click this gear icon, and right here, form, I'm going to go down to my green contact form. Now I've got my green contact form on the page. Ta-da! See how that works? Super simple. That's how you add a form to an already built web page within the system. If you're building it on WordPress or another website, you would want to use the code, and you're just going to copy that code and put it in another spot.